What's up, guys? It is Cole Arrington here. Today we're going to be doing a little walk around on the 650 to show y'all everything I have on it, because I don't think I've made videos about everything I've done to it so far. So yeah, let's get right into that. So obviously 2017 Can-Am Outlander 650 XMR has a 6-inch Super ATV lift. It has 32.5-inch Outlaw 2s and 14-inch MSA M20 core wheels. This bike came with the crappy stock shocks. I found these Fox shocks on Facebook. I bought them and put them on here, and they're turned up all the way, of course, you know. And then right up here, whenever I had the bike, the grill was broke. This headlight was dangling down. I don't know if you guys remember that or not. So I put a brand new grill on it, brand new front skid plate on it, because it was cracked and hanging down. We have my little dry box right here. Has my 2 LED remotes in it for my rock lights I have up under here, and my whips I got off Amazon. Then we have the Rage Fab soundbar and light bar combo mount with a 20-inch Amazon special light bar. You know, cheap is better. Also, with the Amazon special Boss Audio soundbar. I think I paid $179 for this. They had an option where you could get the RGB lights around the speakers in there, but I didn't need all that, so I just got the cheap one. And then we have a Can-Am brand mud strap I put on here. We have the Slobby Knobs custom switch panel. Have light bar, rock lights, and whips. It's pretty sweet. Then right under here, we have a CV Tech primary and a STM secondary they're set up for 35s, so they pull these 32s like it's absolutely nothing. Then I have a HMF. I don't remember what series it is. I think it's the Performance series. It's the full pipe. It goes all the way, you know, it's the full pipe. And then up under the seat, right up under here, I have the fuel optimizer to go with it. Back here, there's really not much to it. I had a Tiger Tail for a little while, but I literally just sold it the other day. So I don't have a Tiger Tail anymore. I've actually switched to these little straps right here. You just like wrap it around your front bumper. And I have a strap in the garage that is supposed to be back here, but it's not because I was using it. Let's see what else is done to this puppy. I think that's about it, guys. Oh, on the front and rear diffs, I don't have vent lines anymore. I bought these plunger things to try and keep, pretty sure it keeps like, I know it keeps water out. I just don't know how it keeps water out. Something to do with the pressure in the diff, something, I have no idea. Yeah, honestly, that's all that's done to this bike. It's next up is probably going to be either a 1000 motor, or we're going to build this motor out. Do like just a big bore kit, cams and ECU flashed, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm tickled to death with the way that this bike has turned out. I know it's only a 650, but with those clutches, man, this thing, there's nothing that, I mean, I had 35s on it for a week, and it pulled them like they weren't even there, you know. But I'll start it up for you guys. I know you guys already know what it sounds like, but we'll just start it up again anyway. And I do also have some aftermarket LED headlights. The low beams are crap. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but my high beams are actually white. They're really nice. So my low beams are crap, but my high beams are pretty nice. So yeah, that's the Outlander. That's everything that's done to it. Also, when I bought it, it didn't have a rear bumper. I bought a rear bumper and put on it, and new end caps for it. So yeah, that's all for this bike. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope that you will go to this video right up here and watch it. It's a banger. It's good. I appreciate all the support, guys. I will see you guys later. Peace out.